So you want to take better board game photos? Well, in this week's video, I'm going to give you 5 creative ideas that you can take of your board games at home on your phone. No Photoshop required. Let's get into the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Clayton, and on this channel, we have fun with board games. Before we get into this week's video, I just want to say thank you for all the support I'm getting here on YouTube. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Thanks so much. And if you're new here, and you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a big thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. It helps the channel grow. Thanks a lot. I also want to mention, with these photos, you don't need any fancy setup. You just need a little bit of sunlight and some creativity. For these photos, all I'm going to use is sunlight, a computer monitor, and a tablet for a light source. Now let's get into the video. Alright, for our first shot, we're going to make it an easy one. All you need is some pencil crayons, an elastic band, and a meeple. Wrap the plastic band around the pencil crayons and place the meeple on the bottom of the pencil crayons. Go up against your window for some natural sunlight, and you want to take the photo face down. Pretty basic photo, but with a little editing, it can look like this. If you'd like to see how I edited that photo, stick to the end of the video and I'll show you how. Alright, for our next shot, here's what you'll need. A board game of your choice, a strainer, some outside sunlight. I shot this photo around 1 p.m. You also need some leaves or a plant of some kind. Alright, for this photo, what you want to do is place your board game face down on the ground. You may want to place it on an angle. Make sure you have something that can hold up your phone. You want to place the plant in front of your lens. You want to make sure that the lens is peeking through the plant at your board game. Make sure the focus is set on your game and not the plant. You can check out my setup here. The next step is you want to set a self timer. Once you do that, hold the strainer up to the sun so it casts a cool looking shadow on your game. Alright, let's go to shot number 3. Here's what you'll need. A theme board game. I went with a Western theme. Props to go with that theme. I went with poker chips. You also need a window with natural sunlight. You want to place your board game face down with some props around it. You want to take the photo top down. Alright, let's move on to number 4. I wanted to do something a little bit different. Here's what you'll need. A clear glass pan, a tablet, some cooking oil, and water, and some dice. On your tablet, search for neon backgrounds and choose a background of your choice. I went with a teal and orange. You want to make sure your brightness is all the way up. Mix the oil and water in the glass pan and place the glass pan on top of your tablet. Now place your dice in the pan. Alright, that photo was a little different, but I saved the best for last. Check out idea number 5. This is what you'll need. Some tin foil, a miniature of your choice. I chose Axel from Tidal Blades, some paper, and some play sand. I got my play sand from Home Depot. Go into your computer and search for Cave Beach background. Find a photo that you like. I chose this one. You want to make sure with your photo that it's the correct size to go with your miniature. Here's how I set mine up. To get a little bit of a rim light, I used an orange light and placed it off to the side. What you want to do with the tin foil is you want to place it over top of the miniature to make it look like it's inside the cave. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed those creative ideas. And if you're still watching this video, thanks so much. Alright, now let's get to editing. All I used to edit these photos was an app called Snapseed. It's free to download on iOS and Android. It's a really great app for editing photos. Now let's cue that music and start editing our photos. Thanks for sticking to the end of the video. If you're still here, please leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this week's video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot. Helps the channel grow and lets me know you guys are really liking these videos. If you used any of these ideas for your Instagram, please tag me in them. I'll leave my Instagram in the description box below. I would really love to see them. And I'll catch you guys in next week's video. Take care. I got sand all over my desk now. It was worth it though.